Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the curse. And then Uzamkolo had a prayer, right? Remember, they healed Umzobe without the permission Kamthembu. It was said specifically, Askisi, that's my iron. It was said specifically, Zimbabwe, ukuthi they must not dare do anything to Umuntu Kamzobe. So now they healed Umuntu Kamzobe, no problem. The person was taken by Umkhokha. Right now they are scared that Umkhokha will then therefore locate Umabusi. Aishem, the prayer is serious. The only thing left there was tongues. But I love how Uzamkolo loves his wife, because he said, you can do anything to me, but please do not do it to my wife. Zamkolo's prayers did not go in vain. His prayers did not go in vain. Bazila maphoyisa. Ayivela mabafika bathola uMamZimande. MamZimande was so anxious, wanting to know what is happening but we cannot say anything without the culprit. Then he arrived, and they told him ukuthi akunaqala. They realized that it was a heart attack, so the matter has been dissolved or suspended, and there's no issue of this sort. So nje, that case yakamalume down the drain. I am so excited at this point. Makabuya ke uMabusi watshelwa ke ukuthi kwenzakaleni, atshelwa ubani umamezala wakhe. But ke umamezala also asked ukuthi ngale khamba kanjani kuphika MamZobe, abuza ukuthi i-chemical ithini. Remember, they believe ukuthi vele uMamZobe strong chemical, meaning she does witchcraft, right? But no one has ever seen or had evidence except Ugabisile of this witchcraft. So whatever MamZobe does, whether good intention or bad intention, Ugirl is always a suspect. She decided to go and take a break, Nomafu, and go to her baby's room just to pack things kanjalo. Then Uzamkolo then did go and want to apologize. You could see ukuthi Nomafu was still hurt, but because it's her husband and in the church, submission is what is preached. So Unomafu succumbed to the apology and forgave her husband. Now this means ukuthi it's a clean slate for them, and they can finally move on from this situation. Not only uMamZimande that thinks ukuthi la gijima something. No mama ka Sibusiso, uLokhunja naye uqabanga ukuthi kugijima something. Athi baba, athi umuntu wakho aphole, and the first question you ask ukuthi iLokhunja ukuthi uphaphamile, yes, uyakhuluma na? Why are you concerned about ukuthi uyakhuluma? Uzubuza ukuthi uyakhuluma uthini? Athi hayi baba, khamba something. Athi yes detective, yes, for once nje we nailile. But ke ulo umsuthu wathi asiphume endabeni zabantu nani. But ngiyajabula nje ukuthi uMazungu for once uyabona ukuthi la gijima something ayikho right. Hayi uPhakathayo ke, in conclusion, abize bani uMamZobe aye kamereni athi uzama ukumarinate uPhakathayo akekho right. Even in pain, he's just bothered by the act that the wife did, right? To say, how can you make our child do such a thing? Like, Ugai is not happy with the decisions that is made. With that, he asked Ugabisile to come. While uMamZobe wanted to intervene and make sure Ugabisile doesn't speak, Uphakathayo was, get out of the room. I want to speak to my daughter and speak to my daughter alone. The daughter said everything. Ugabisile what detailer from the moment abamba umuthi ngesandla sakhe, what detailer uMamZobe makamenika i-protection, what detailer konke, wagunyuka konke wakukhipha konke. uPhakathayo was angry, uPhakathayo was disappointed, uPhakathayo was heartbroken, uPhakathayo was just like shocked, because your kids will show you flames. You can never say you know them. And I think also what shook him the most was all the lies all these years that Ugabisile had to tell. That alone nje, I think, was a cherry on top. But he reminded Ugabisile to say, Ugabisile, the bottle with the poison was from your hand. it means that you contributed to this. More so because you knew that there was a poison in that bottle and you acted accordingly. Yo! I know, uGabisile amehlo anjani ukuthi makayibeka kumthembu ayibeka lapha kibo uyo-throw uGabisile under the bus or uyo-protector uGabisile. Like at this point uPhakathwayo, we can see ukuthi he's a ticking time bomb. Is he going to tick as a time bomb and faka uGabisile under the bus? No, yeah, let's stay here. This is your girl Disebo D. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Next round.